Proper surface preparation is the single most critical step in the Tuff Coat process. It isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating the perfect canvas for adhesion. In this module, we will cover the 4 pillars of prep: cleaning, repairing, drying, and profiling.
Have you ever tried to stick a piece of tape to a dusty table? It doesn't hold. Your surface must be free of dirt, dust, and, crucially, invisible contaminants like sunscreen oils and mold.
Power washing is mandatory, but often it's not enough. For previously painted or aged surfaces, we recommend a heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser. You need to strip away anything that could act as a barrier between Tuff Coat and the substrate. Pay special attention to high-traffic zones where grime builds up.
Once it's clean, it's time to inspect. Look closely. Do you see cracks, spalling, delamination? These aren't just cosmetic issues. They are structural weak points.
Here's the golden rule. Do not rely on Tuff Coat to hide structural defects. It won't work. Repair cracks with appropriate patching materials. If there is existing coating, make sure it's sound. If it's peeling, it has to go. Feather those edges until the surface is smooth and uniform.
Now we wait. Tuff Coat must be applied to a clean, dry surface. Trapped moisture is the enemy of adhesion. Before you open that pail, check your conditions. Is the surface dry? Is the temperature within range? If rain is in the forecast, keep the lid on. Finally, we profile. This creates the teeth for the primer to grab onto. For new concrete cured at least 28 days, use an acid etch or mechanical abrasion. For bare wood, hit it with 80 grit sandpaper. For metals, grind it down and solvent clean it. Different substrates, same goal. A surface ready to bond.
Taking the time to prep correctly ensures Tuff Coat wears evenly and delivers the safety and durability your customer paid for.